you and know you that thing by. Someone sit and write up your ass and if him joke you. You say
so voodoo there, that's what you say.
Real. Yes, bossy, it is real and it is live. Bossy, pass my phone over.
So that means to say you believe in it?
Bossy, yes, you have to. That's why I asked you.
But Rasta not supposed to believe that thing, man.
No, where Rasta supposed to believe in, and where Rasta supposed to know, bossy. Knowing is the key for living. Saying, alright now, bossy, let me be frankly with you, where I reason. So example now, may I show you something, bossy. Saying, alright, bossy, this is a arrowroot. Saying it's a mix with gambling powder and rub on your hands before you go gamble. When playing the lottery, wrap your ticket in a green cloth along with lucky lottery powder. Lay it beside a green skull candle and burn a little each day. That skull candle look like a human head cup, you know. Bossy.
So Rasta, how come you never win the cash pot?
No, ask Peter 2 times I win the cash pot from.
Just shit house, watch him. Watch him. Oh, the man in TikTok, you see?
Fuck, no, sir, this is judgment now. Fuck. All of them people that when they do so, why them not move? They move check that. Eh? Why them not move?
Yo, tell my boss that to suck your mother with the work. My mother's life me live now, so me there river. For a week there, me there river with me for their work. Suck your mother boss boy with your work. A river me there, watch a river me thing there.
I got the tone here to mommy care. Take off from mommy care.
Grandma, you see me no code like you.
Come man, you have gears. Chop, Jesus, stop it here. Tap. From you start gears, me tap. We go tap drive then.
No.
No, but you can't gears from grandma talk to grandma, you drive. Eh? Wait till the car pass. Wait till the car pass first. Put in a park. Tara, I don't want your gears in. You can't drive and look on grandma them and sit. I know you're really excited, but you can't do that.
Alright,
Yeah?
Alright, Daddy.
Alright.
You know what I mean?
When the car pass, man, you're ready again.
Frame go crash me.
When the car pass, you're ready again.
Frame go crash me.
Your time. All down roads there. Put in a drive now. Take a look at time and go on, man. Go on.
Indicator.
Yeah.
Walk here at home.
Go on. Take a look at time.
I'm afraid.
Afraid of her.
Don't think you can feel something wrong. You've been a sweet one of me for so long. I look in your eyes, there's a reason that's mine. I don't know if you're gone tonight. This bad experience. All you're thinking about you. All right, don't say what you're about to say. Look back before you leave my mind. Be sure before you.
When you invite a Rasta to sing at a gospel concert,
and I teach it, me no, ballad, me ya, not teach it, Joe, a ballad. All right, you want some Christian song, you want some religious. All right. Christmas time, it a Christmas time, me sing Christmas time, it a Christmas. Oh God, you know want Christmas either? No. Alright. Let me go on. We chop up on that one now. Yo. Jesus love me, this I know. From from my foot to me toe. Say, Jesus love me, this I know. From me toe to me toe, from me foot to me toe. Jesus love me, this I know. From me foot, bang, and me toe. Me say, Jesus love. My own. Read him. Jesus love me, say, Jesus love me, say. From me head, me say, from me toe, me say, Jesus love me, say. Read him.
Jamaica na, man, please.